Crazy Lock Expert Advisor version 3.07 for MT4 unlimited just for $30 only. Right now you're watching this expert advisor on our official website eo4xea.com. But the market price of this product is huge. It's nearly $500. But from us, you can have the same product, same version just for $30. So let's see how this expert advisor works. The Crazy Lock Expert Advisor version 3.047 for MT4 is a very powerful trading tool that employs a martingale strategy to optimize trading outcomes. By understanding its requirements and strategy, you can leverage this expert advisor to enhance your forex trading performance. So right here we have some recommendations, that is our minimum deposit amount should be $200. Time frame is M15 and H1. Platform is MT4. Recommended lot size is given right here, and the currency pairs are Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, and USD CHF. So this is how this expert advisor's user interface looks like. So strategy overview is given right here, you can read it. So now I'm going to show you our product's backtesting results. Let's go. So right here we have selected our expert advisor, the Crazy Lock. Let me show you the expert properties section, where this is the initial deposit amount, that is 10,000 yuan and 10,000 USD for this demo account, and this is the input section. This is the optimization section. Okay, so you can just copy these settings, or else you can customize your own settings according to your own preferences. Let me show you the backtesting result now, and we are using the prestigious Euro USD pair, that is Euro against US dollar pair, on the time period of each one as recommended, and we have selected a random date that started from 2024 March to 2024 May, and this is the time span of nearly 2 months that we have taken to backtest this expert advisor on Euro USD. And right now you're watching the live signal part, and right here is our graph section. So let's see how much profit we are having. So we can see our balance amount is increasing gradually, and this is the balance amount that we are expecting. Over $500 of profit we are expecting. So final graph is right here. We have finished our trade, so let's explore the report section now. So our initial deposit amount is 10,000 USD. Upon that amount we have gained the gross profit amount, that is this. The gross loss amount is this. With the maximal drawdown percentage of 2.39%, we have totally gained the total net profit amount, that is $505, and that was for backtesting of 2 months. So this expert advisor has given us a huge and handsome amount of profit with such low drawdown percentage. And if you want the Crazy Lock expert advisor from us just for $30, I'm going to show you now how you can have it. So I'll be taking you directly to our official Telegram group, that is U4X Premium. This is our product here, Crazy Lock Expert Advisor version 3.07 for MT4 Unlimited with new terminal. And this is the seller price, this is our price, this is our instant downloading link. So please do download this product immediately after purchasing it, and you can use several payment methods that are given right here, like PayPal, BTC, LTC, any crypto, Binance, UPI, USDT, Skrill, and some more. You can choose any on your preferences, and let me show you that this instant downloading link will redirect you to our official website u4xea.com. And it's a very simple process to have this product. Just select the quantity as much as you want, and then you can add it to your wish list or add to cart, or else you can just click on buy it now, and you will see this page, that is our checkout section. Right here is our checkout section. This is the billing details. You'll have to fill in this form, and next you can just select the place order, and you will have this product in your hands within a single minute. So Do visit our official website, and if you have any queries regarding this expert advisor, you can connect with us on our Telegram group, Your Forex Premium. This is our new group. This is the link. This is the description section. So do join, and if you have any friend or loved one who is interested in trading, you can suggest them this group. So thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a like, share it, and subscribe our channel. I hope to see you for the next time. Until then, I wish you a happy and profitable trading journey.